All right, good day to you. This is just a quick one. You see, there's this one mistake that our men are making. Honestly, it's a very big mistake that our men are making, which is if men have an opportunity to render a help in between a man and a woman, like this now, they rather prefer to help a woman. That same thing that his fellow man came to ask him of, that he said he did not have. When a woman shows up, he helps the woman, which is very, very, very wrong. In most cases, all of us we don't see them now. There will be say you go see some men that have helped a lot of women before, like they don't appreciate, they don't even want to think of you helping them. In most cases, they will tell you, "What have you ever done to me?" All those kind of words they will keep telling you. But if you help a man, even if it is with 200 naira, you know what I mean? Even if it is 200 naira, when a man needs this thing, at that particular time that he needs that you help that man, honestly, he will forever be grateful. I'm telling you the truth. That man will forever be grateful to you. Take for instance now, if a man come to you that he needed 200 naira and you render that 200 naira to him, maybe that particular time that he needed that thing most, he will forever be grateful that wherever where he is, will be say maybe even if you later lose contact, maybe cannot forget, maybe things later went well with him, then he come finally don't get money, even if he not get money, but he dey alright. Anytime that he comes to that area, you wanted to always you always want to come and meet you and appreciate you. If he doesn't even take himself, anytime when we say he did with una guy, you were like, bro, I know this guy. This guy helped me in the fight. If I told you what this guy did for me, you will not believe. Which is just 200 naira that you give to this person. You understand me? But that is the case when you help a woman, even a woman wanted to make herself to forget of the help that you have rendered to her. You understand me? But I am promising you now that the world will have been in a better place if a man render a help for a fellow man more than as they do for a woman. But in most cases, they'll be asking you that what do you have to give in return? That is the only thing. If I help you now, what do you have to give in return? There's not any other thing that a woman can actually give back in return than rather she, 90% of them, she, giving their self to you that you guys should have an intimacy or something together. That is the painful truth, but that is it. You understand me? So as a man, me I dey advise every man now, make we dey try dey help our fellow men when they need this help. Because if we dey help our fellow men, you understand me, things will not be the way it is now. Believe me, things will have been more better than this. The society will have been more greater than this. But we choose not to. Wetin man do man? That's just a great one.